Because I know at the end of the day you have to remove your anger.
Hi guys, welcome to another amazing episode with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be tying this beautiful style of gele on adidami. So guys, to get started, all you need to do is get yourself a 2/4 material and your formula is 45-55. So get your 45-55 and then you do your base. So like you all know it, I love to do the V-base routine. So to get your V-base routine, you just need to slant your gele, which means one part of the gele will be covering one side of the ear and the other part of the gele will be going all the way to the back and also coming back to the front and cover the other side of the ear. And so once you're done with that, now right in the video you can see I'm trying to arrange my gele and make sure my gele is well arranged. It's very important to always arrange your gele perfectly. It helps to give your gele the beauty and the perfection you need. Alright, so this is me at the back. I'm going to collect my pleats. So how do you collect your pleats? Collect your pleats on both sides. The same amount of pleats you picked from the beginning, you're going to rearrange from both sides. So make proper adjustment whenever it's needed. Always ensure you take your time. Take your time. You don't have to rush. Take your time to tie your gele. So guys, after collecting your pleats at the back and then your back in front, so right in front you want to take your shorter hand. So if you know how to do your measurement well, you know that there is a longer hand and there is a shorter hand, which means when you do your measurement, you're doing your measurements on one side of the gele. Whilst you're folding your gele in two halves, which is the 90 inches, you're doing your measurement on the left side of the gele and then you're going to be having 45-55 measured with your fingers. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch my previous videos where I explained how to take your measurement properly. Alright guys, so here I'll be pinning down. So guys, after pinning your gele down, all you need to do is start arranging. So you start picking pleat after the other, you start picking one pleat after the other. So for this style, I will be doing a round on one side and inverted style on the other side. So it's going to still be round, the round shape, but it's going to have, just as you can see on the thumbnail, it's going to have a little tweak at the back. So guys, now let's pick. So how do you pick your pleats? Make sure you take your time, pick your pleats. You can pick your pleats from the top and you can pick your pleats from the bottom. So whichever way, vice versa, make sure you're picking your pleats rightly. Don't make it too big, don't make it too small. Ensure you arrange your pleats well. Make sure they are neat and well laid. You can take your time, like I said. Always take your time when you're tying gele. You don't have to rush the process. Just do it. Just do you. So right here, I'll be picking my inverted style. For those of you that know how to, do all these creative designs on gele, this should not be a problem. All you need to do is just fold in and pin them. So guys, right here I'll be doing a little tweak on my gele. So I've pinned down on that particular point where you can see the gele going down to the base, and now I'm going to be picking normal pleats and I'm going to be meeting it up with the rest of the fabric. So the other end of the fabric, I'm going to be pinning it at the back, so just to hold down the old fabric, because I'm not going to be tying this gele. So guys, just follow. Alright guys, so lastly, you want to pack the remaining part of the gele and take it all up, take it up and just add it to the top and make sure you pack it neatly so that they don't get to show. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So you're going to be pinning down when necessary, just like and when you're done, your gele should be looking like this. Damn, this gele is stunning. Thanks for watching guys. For more videos like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with a friend or family. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. EnnyGeleCraft. Bye.